Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we are going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with the MNIST dataset from Torch Vision. The issue is that even though the code is running smoothly, the training set data is not displaying as a matplotlib graph as expected. Frustrating, right? Now, let's dive into the solution to this problem. To start off, we need to define the variables x and y inside the loop where we iterate over the training set data. This will ensure that we correctly extract the image and label data before moving forward. Next up in our solution is reshaping the image data from 1:28:28 to 28:28 using the .reshape method. This step is crucial for the data to be displayed correctly in the matplotlib graph. By reshaping the data, we ensure that it is in the proper format for visualization. Continuing with the solution, we convert the reshaped image data x into a NumPy array. This conversion is important as matplotlib works more efficiently with NumPy arrays. Once we have our data in the right format, we proceed to plot the image using plt.imshow with the color map set to grays_r. Finally, we display the graph using plt.show. To sum it all up, we successfully address the problem of not being able to display the training set data from the MNIST dataset as a matplotlib graph. By defining the variables inside the loop, reshaping the image data, converting it to a NumPy array, and plotting it with the correct settings, we were able to visualize the data accurately. I hope this solution was helpful for you. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!